Hey guys, this is Yasemin here, and today we're gonna make an emergency kit. So here are my assistants for today. Lovely Sheep, Charlie, Pinky, and Lovely Rose. So let's get started. Okay, so two of my assistants, Charlie and Pinky, went down, and now Lovely Rose and Lovely Sheep are BFFs, so I picked this box for the emergency kit. So first thing I'm going to put is this blanket because maybe the light will come out and we can't turn on the heat, so we're going to put this. Next thing is water because we might need water because maybe the sink will shut off and we need water. Put it. And then this is a cream, like a sun cream. So if you got sunburn, you can put this on. Then I have some forks and some spoons. 3 packs of them. A can opener because I have some canned food which I need to open. Here are the canned food, which are fish. If you didn't have food, and they won't get spoiled whatsoever. We have bowls, cups, in case we have to put water in our cup, and a cup. And this is medical a first aid kit. We have this in case we have boo-boo, some medicine, some more medicine, and let's put them back in. So this is for the first. So I paused the video and definitely you need hot cocoa if you need a drink. And I'm bringing some stuff in case if we can't go outside. That's why I'm going to make an emergency kit because emergency has been done outside. We can't go outside like a flood. So putting 3 books, a activity book, something in case we had a boo-boo, some Band-Aids, and a board game in case me and my family need to play some board games. This is because we can't go outside. Should I put this in? Okay, I'm going to And I have a portable battery in case the lights will come out and we can't turn on any lights. That's why I also brought some stuff in case like the heat won't shut off. That's why I brought a lovely blanket, a portable one. And then I brought this charger in case the portable battery is not charging yet. Then a flashlight in case we're charging our phone and then we need more light. Some slippers in case my foot got like cold. And some matches. You can also use candles for light. So there's some stuff I forgot to bring. So okay, these are the last thing for the emergency kit. I have 4 more stuff. So this is a paper towel in case something spills, like our hot cocoa, which I put hot cocoa. Then I put this in case because the lights were shut off and we can't clean our dirty clothes, so we can do this. And actually, what a smell! Smells so good. And then I have a fan in case, and I have a windmill because in case the fan can shut on because the lights are off, and we definitely need a fan. And last but not least, Pinky, because I literally sleep with a doll every single night, and besides, I really like to make her hair beautiful. So this is the last thing, and so make sure to subscribe and like this video and turn the notifications on so you won't miss any more videos. Bye! See you later!